All right, good morning, everyone. We are Team 4, and today we're gonna go over some of our changes that we've made to the auger, as well as show off some of our finished SolidWorks drawing models.
Alright, so for our design, moving from DR3 to DR4, we've basically finalized all our dimensions. We've made sure everything's in metric, everything's in some sort of nominal pipe size or tubing size that they'll be able to find in Uganda. Casey. Sorry. A couple changes. We've simplified some of the things, keeping manufacturing in mind. Like, we didn't really think that a spout was completely necessary. We keep things simple, so we would just have at the end with the discharge of the material just be cut out.
So for the hopper, we actually changed the tube from like a U-trough hopper to a circular tube, and because of that, we had to change the hopper. So we just went with the most simple design we could come up with, just 4 plates for the hopper.
For the support system, we actually, so originally these brackets would hook up to the main trough body. However, these brackets now hook up to the main trough body, and that allowed us to get rid of this long round tube right here. Another thing, we changed to square weldments instead of circular weldments. They were cheaper, and it should help with ease of manufacturing, and it also allowed us to be able to weld a spindle. Since these are hollow tubes, we were able to weld a spindle into here to allow connecting the wheels onto the support system.
And we decided to go from a U-shaped trough to a circular pipe trough for a couple of reasons. This does not come in a 14-foot long length custom order. It would have to be custom ordered, and it would be easier to manufacture if they just ordered a regular pipe that they could just cut to size and cut the holes in it, and you'd be good to go.
So since our team doesn't have a budget for any prototyping, since it's kind of proven technology in the field right now, we went ahead and started working on our assembly drawings. So this is an exploded view. There's a few sub-assemblies. So there's bill of materials in the upper left or upper right corner of the drawing, which then is labeled to all the different parts that are on this drawing. So like this is a sub-assembly, so then we have on the next page another sub-assembly drawing that's more detailed, and then for each part there will be a separate drawing noting if it's a manufactured part, it'll pretty much give the source for that part. If it's something like, so like the bolts, we don't have drawings for the bolts because they're standard bolt size. We've called those out up above. But for this sleeve, it's important if they can't find it or they want to manufacture it because they can do it cheaper, then there's dimensions on that for them to use. That is our design review. Any questions?
Is there a way to clean the hopper? Or not the hopper, but the entire pipe?
You can take off the end cap and pull out the whole auger system. It just slides right out.
The top or bottom will be easily just taken off.
Hose it out also.
On the floor.
They're hose irons.
Any other thoughts, questions? Dave?
So this is the beginnings of the sample of what your drawing package would look like, with the idea of we're going to be running our prototypes in here, but whether it's the Hughes Club or whether it's actually going to be the manufacturing in Uganda, we need to have these drawings ready to go. So that's, after this phase of learning from your prototype, that's the next critical thing that would help Dwayne out. So we're going to have some nice things to look at. We need to have some good costs and some good drawings, or a good cost estimate. And then I think we would have given Dwayne more than he really expected from this. So really like what's been happening so far. So please keep up the good work. Questions?